In these final movements, the Sankofa Suite turns toward practice, asking how inherited wisdom becomes governance, how solidarity becomes habit, and how memory survives only when it is carried forward in daily choices. Sankofa does not end in remembrance, it ends in responsibility. How do we forge forward? Before the colonizers' clocks, Mali had charters, Ife had balance, the Igbo had assemblies that listened long, but we abandoned blueprints that fit our hands, even when imported constitutions wear us badly. Ujamaa tried to root the new in the old, not flawless, but faithful. Why are we not studying the treaties of our ancestors, the ethics of elders, the federations before federation had a name? What is Sankofa? A school for tomorrow. Insist on being led with accountability, with communal sense, with languages that carry law and love together. Insist on rebuilding democracies only in our accents. Your turn? Is it just a hashtag or a habit? EndSARS shook hands with Black Lives Matter. Fees Must Fall spoke to Nairobi, Accra, Bronx. Welcome Diaspora returns with root-seeking visas, with startups, seed funds, seed stories. AfCFTA opens a door, but we must walk through it only with justice for all. Where is the movement now? In our choices, our circles, our craft. Be the borderless bridge. Make solidarity a monthly bill you always pay. Carry it forward. Read deeply, but remember to question everything. Buy black. Build local. Trade continental. Revive languages that taste like home. Mentor. Organize. Make. Repair. Sankofa. Bring it forward together. The bird looks back and sideways. The feet move on. We do both at once. Remember and reimagine. What does Pan-African mean to you? When the curtains fall, let work begin.